My name is Ramona Guadalupe. I've been living in Vermont for close to 35 years. I am a minister with the American Baptist Churches of Vermont and New Hampshire and Ohio. Even though that I live here in the state of Vermont, I do ministry online with the church there. I minister within the interfaith community, meaning that I collaborate with different faiths, with the Muslim and Jewish community, and even non-Christians. This vocation is not something that I decided. It's a special calling. En el libro de los Salmos, capítulo 91, la palabra de Dios. Before we go into prayer, when I first started doing this, there was a need in the community of bilingual, especially the farmers that work down in Addison County. There was no voice for them to hear the Word of God in Spanish and in English too.
Thank you so much for helping me. Okay.
I found it very helpful doing it here, and I got the training here, and the staff been wonderful, that I was able to use my skill, my vocation this way. Oh, it's a joy. I look forward of working with the staff, that they're able to help me out. Without them, this is impossible. Oh my goodness sake, sometimes when I'm driving and I'm on the stop sign, people call my name and I'm saying, who is calling my name? Especially when I have the windows down a little bit, and I turn around and say, hi, Pastor, I see you on TV. The Media Factory has helped me expand, not only in Vermont, but nationwide and even international wide.